friends! Today we're going on an underwater adventure. We'll meet amazing animals that live in the big blue ocean. Are you ready? Let's go explore! Blue whale. Wow, look how big it is! This is the blue whale, the largest animal on Earth. It's longer than a bus and heavier than a house. But guess what? It eats tiny things called krill, like little shrimp. It opens its big mouth, takes in water, and filters out the food. And blue whales can sing. Their songs are deep and low, like ooh. Other whales can hear them from very far away. Blue whales are gentle giants, just swimming slowly through the sea. Dolphin. Here's a dolphin. It always looks like it's smiling. Dolphins are very smart and playful. They love to jump, swim together, and play games. They talk to each other using squeaks and clicks, like their own dolphin language. Dolphins help each other. If one gets sick, others stay nearby. They live in families and care for their babies. Dolphins are fast, clever, and full of fun. Octopus. Who's soft and squishy with lots of arms? That's the octopus! It has 8 long arms with tiny suckers to grab and feel things. Did you know it has 3 hearts? And its blood is blue! When it's scared, it sprays black ink and zooms away. It can also change color to hide, like a sea magician. Octopuses are very smart. They can open jars and solve puzzles. It's a clever, quiet thinker in the deep sea. Starfish. Look, it's a starfish. It doesn't have a head or even a brain. Most starfish have 5 arms, but some have 40. If one arm breaks, it grows back, like magic. Underneath, it has tiny tube feet to move slowly. Starfish stay on rocks and love the ocean floor. They come in colors like pink, orange, and purple. They are slow, quiet, and beautiful. Seahorse. This tiny guy is a seahorse, smaller than your finger. It swims standing up and holds onto seaweed with its tail. It has fluttery fins that move really fast. And guess what? The dad carries the babies in a pouch. Seahorses are gentle and like to hide in plants. They move slowly and love quiet places. They're tiny, calm, and very special. Whale shark. This one is big. It's the whale shark, the biggest fish in the sea. But don't worry, it's gentle and doesn't bite. It swims with its mouth open and filters tiny food from the water. Its back is covered in white spots, like polka dots. It's big but calm. Small fish even swim next to it. The whale shark just floats slowly through warm oceans. Orca. This is the orca, also called the killer whale. It's black and white, like a sea panda. Orcas live in families called pods. They help each other and hunt as a team. Orcas are actually the biggest dolphins. They jump, splash, and play in the waves. Smart, strong, and always with their pod. Squid. Here comes the squid, the rocket of the ocean. It has 10 arms, 8 short and 2 long. It moves by jetting water out. Zoom! If it's scared, it shoots out ink and hides. Its body is soft with no bones at all. Some squids are small, some are giant. Fast, tricky, and very cool. Manta ray. Here is the manta ray, like a flying carpet under the sea. It has huge fins that flap like wings. Mantas are calm and move slowly. They don't bite or chase, they just glide. They eat tiny food from the water as they swim. Peaceful, graceful, and beautiful to watch. Narwhal. Look, A unicorn in the sea? No, it's a narwhal. That long horn is really a tooth. Narwhals live in the icy Arctic Ocean. They swim under the ice and look for fish. They make clicks and whistles to talk. They're shy, quiet, and love the cold. And that's the end of our underwater journey. We met so many amazing sea animals today. The blue whale, the dolphin, the octopus, the starfish, and the seahorse. The whale shark, the orca, the squid, the manta ray, and the narwhal. They all live in the ocean. Big ones, tiny ones, fast ones, and gentle ones. Which one was your favorite? Thanks for exploring with me. See you next time, and keep being curious.